Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making an adjustable free-fitted apron, and this can be adjusted according to someone's preference. So here are some measurements that can be helpful for you if you're making an apron. These are just ranges and they can be adjustable according to preference. So we'll start by folding this line by 12 inches, meaning I'm going to be using 24 inches for the width. So I'll fold this by 12 inches. And I'm just trying out my ruler, checking, making sure that it does measure 12 inches before we start. Then I'm going to draw this line, which is going to be 6 inches from the center up to here. So 6 inches. Then you can go down by 10 inches from here. Go down by 10 inches. You can go as deep as 11 or 12. Then extend this line this side. And it also measures 6 inches, right? Since this is 12. Then go out here by 2 inches. This should just help you with the curving. I'm just getting the midpoint of this line so that it helps me as I curve. So join like this. Then from here you can get the full length. So I use 28 inches. Then I'm adding 2 inches sewing allowance to there. You can use 30 inches, and as I said, according to preference of how long your client wants it to be. Okay, they might want it shorter or longer. So I'm just cutting this out because there's no need for sewing allowance. So from here, I'll begin with sewing of the armhole, then the side seams, then I'll hem the bottom last. Okay, so for the armhole, I used 0.5, then again folded it in by 0.5. At the side seam, I used 1 inch, then folded it in by 1 inch at each side. Then at the bottom, I've used 1 inch, then folded it in by 1 inch. For the top part, I'm going to fold it in by 0.5, then another 0.5. Okay, so we're done with the sewing and it looks neat like this, remaining with the pocket. And I love big pockets, guys. Okay guys, so now for the pocket, the width of the pocket is 12 inches, then the length is 11 inches. And so from this, I am going to fold my upper part by 2.5 inches, then this lower part I'll fold it by 0.5 inch. Then I'll make a stitch this side and another stitch this side up to here. Then I'm done making those stitches. I'm just going to remove this, which is the excess, like this. And even this side, I'll remove the excess. Then we'll go ahead and turn this to the wrong side, like this. And you have this neat finish. Then we can just go and put a stitch over here, and it already folds the side seams. So I went ahead and stitched and ironed the folds of my pocket, and now is to just attach it. So all these edges to attach it. So I'm back and my pocket is fully attached, as you can see. Then for the strips, they are measuring 2.5 inches and 26 inches for the neck. Then the ones for the waist, I've used 2.5 inches by 32 inches. Alright, so for the folding, fold the top part by 0.5, then fold the sides by 0.25 like this. Continue to fold the sides and pin them down. So fold them in by 0.25 and continue to pin them down. Okay, so you have a total width of 2 inches. Then even this side, do the same. Fold the top by 0.5, then fold the sides by 0.25 inwards and pin them like this. And when you get to stitch this, you're going to have a very neat finish of your strips. So we are done with the strips, and here's how they have turned out. So these shorter ones are for the neck, and these longer ones are for the waist. So you're going to just join them from this side like this and make a sort of a box stitch like this. Even this side you do the same, join it from here and make a box stitch. Even the next side you do the same thing. So we are done with attaching of the strips to the apron, and here's how neatly it has turned out. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.